of self effort, है ना? Complete your homework as well. And this exercise also, you will have to go through this recording that I am doing and do it by yourself then. So you have a lot to do now. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, bye-bye. Enjoy for today.
Bye, ma'am.
Chalo, bacha log, we are solving exercise 15A. Put this as your heading. Exercise 15A, the name of the writer is Anubhuti Gangal. She is the writer for ICSE board mainly. So she takes the questions to the level of ICSE. So when you prepare with her book, you are preparing yourself for a level ahead. Chalo beta ji, let's start doing this. Heading डाल दिया सबने, date डाल दिया आज का. What is the date today? Today must be 17th of April 23. This is 3 times x plus 1. देख लो बच्चा, इसे read कैसे करते हैं. 3 times x plus 1 plus 4x is 24. How to solve this? First of all, we need to देखो, whenever we are solving, we need to keep x independent to find its value. तो x को अलग करने के लिए I can see 2 x's here. पहले उनको एक करना पड़ेगा to keep them to your left hand side. So how will I do this? I'll first of all open up the bracket. So 3 I'll multiply it with x first. That will be 3x. Then I'll multiply 3 with 1. 3 ones are 3. And now this 4x I'll write as such equals 24. Is this step clear to everyone?
Yeah,
Whether
ma'am.
this implies ka sign, you will do this. Never put an equals to ka sign here. That's not allowed because 2's are not allowed in one statement. So this implies ka sign that you need to put here. Okay. And now what do you do? This 3x and 4x, they're both the like terms, right? Both have got same x's in them. So plus 3 and plus 4, what is the answer? That's plus 7. So 7x plus 3 equals 24. इसी तरीके से every this implies का sign should be aligned under one another. Be very nice, well spaced in your work, okay? So now when you need to solve for x, you will transpose this 3 to the other side. So 7x equals 21. 3 would be subtracted. Now x is 21 by 7. This 7 which is getting multiplied with x here, on the other side it will get divided. And now when you simplify this, 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 3 is 21. So x ka value you have got 3. X equals 3 is your answer. Clear or not, everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
Should we move on? I'll do 2 to 3 parts with you. Rest,
Yes.
I'm sure you people can carry on. If anyone's copying, let me know. Or should I move on?
We can move on.
Chalo beta ji. Now I'm not doing the second part. This is working on the same line as we did first. You'll open up the brackets for both the brackets and keep y on your left hand side and solve them, right? So do you want me to solve this?
No, ma'am.
Sure.
No, ma'am.
So let's do
Yes,
this
ma'am.
third one because this has got decimal, no? Let's do this. So let's do the third part. So what I am doing here is I am opening up the bracket. I am not writing the question, although you should always start your answer with this statement from the question only. ठीक है बच्चे? Clear? And now I'll start doing the question. This implies now I'm multiplying. 3 times z is 3z. 3 times 1 is 3. Right? Now 4 times z is 4z. and 4 times 0.3. So इसको साइड में ले जाकर सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. What is 4 times 0.3? 4 3s are 12, right? Now there is one digit after the decimal point, so I'll put a point, leaving one number only from behind. Clear है ना ये concept सबको? If there is only one digit after a decimal point here, so in the answer also you will only leave one digit from the back end and put a point. So that's 1.2 that you got here. Now I'll write it as plus 1.2 equals 20z plus 0.95. Is there any doubt? Anyone? Samihan, why are you late for your session? Samihan,
Yes, ma'am.
you also overslept today.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I was doing something else and I didn't check the time. And when I opened the WhatsApp, I saw the message and I joined it.
Samihan, set alarms, beta.
Yes.
Abhi, let's find out for like terms. This is 3z, 4z and 20z.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
We are solving 15A exercise Anubhuti Gangal linear equation because we are already done with NCERT. So you can put your heading as either on the fresh page or draw a line and write exercise 15A Anubhuti Gangal. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now 3z and 4z, that's 7z together. And this 20z when transposed to the left hand side, that will be negative 20z. Right or not, bache log?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And now this 1.2 and 3 together is 4.2, right? है ना? 3 plus
Yes, ma'am.
1.2, this will be 4.2 when I add. So this 4.2 I'll transpose to the other side. It will move behind 0.95. I have written 0.95. Now behind this I'll write minus 4.2. Right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 7z minus 20z would be minus 13z. Because 20 minus 7 is 13, no? Negative is the greater number, so you will keep this sign of negative here. Equal. Now let's subtract this at one end. 4.2 is a greater number. So I am subtracting this at one corner. How will I do this? This becomes 10, 5. This is 1. You bring 1 here, that becomes 11. 9 subtracted from 11 becomes 2. This is 3. So what is the answer? 3.25. And for this 3.25, because negative number is the greater number, so the impact would be negative. Negative 3.25. Is this clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now negative se negative can be cancelled on both the sides. So z is equals to 3.25 by 13. Clear or not? Abhi, let's solve this. How to solve this? $325 forza. What is 325 forza?
Ma'am, call Ishita for that.
325 forza would be 1200 and 100, 1300. Yes. 1300 is the answer. And that means this is 1 zar and this is 4 zar. So z is equals to 1 by 4. But you cannot leave your answer as 1 by 4. Why not? Because you didn't have any fraction in your question.
Yes, ma'am. It was in decimals.
So you will have to leave the answer also in decimal. 1 by 4 is 0.25.
0.25.
This is how you will leave your answer. Got it, bacha log? Samihan, take it screenshot, beta. And do it. If there is any confusion, let me know.
Ma'am, taken.
Now try to do this by yourself without looking at the solution. Rest everyone, please try question number 2 and 4 by yourself. Quickly do it. We'll be doing next questions then.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am,
हाँ जी
how do
बेटा,
you
बाद में मेरा
ma'am,
laptop
how do you distribute 2 and in bracket CY in second question?
doing it for you, bacha. So you're asking how to distribute this to over both the things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's do it this. So when I'm multiplying 2 with 3, I know the answer is 6. This is negative, this is positive, right? Plus minus minus hota hai, and in multiplication figure ki nahi chalti hai na. It is only the multiplication jiski chalti hai. So plus minus is minus, so you will write minus, and 3 2s are 6. Why? Right, better?
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, because
negative
last
multiply with 5. 2 5s are is 10. Plus minus minus hota hai, you will write minus. This is the answer.
okay, ma'am.
Essay, tell me what is the answer to this one now?
-4y minus 8.
Good.
Ma'am, should we do the 6th one also?
हाँ जी बेटा जी.
Ma'am, should we do the 5th one also?
Yes, go ahead if you want to try.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm discussing fourth part. Who is done with fourth part?
Ma'am, I finished 4th.
Sridhar,
Ma'am, I'm doing the second part.
stuck anywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं. चलो, let's take you out. This is 16 minus twice of 3y plus 5 equals 4 times 5 minus 2. right? But so I'll to make this question easy for you now, Sridhar beta, I'll do it in different parts. So this 16 we know is 16 only, hai na? So I'll write this 16. And to solve this, I am taking you to the other screen. This is negative 2, 3y plus 1. How to solve this? First of all, let's multiply this negative 2 with 3y. So let's focus on the numbers only first. 3 2s are 6, right? And this is positive, this is negative. A positive and a negative, they are negative together. So negative 6. And this will be y, right? Hello, Sridhar, got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this negative 2 multiplied with this 5.
Ma'am, negative 10.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, actually I did a mistake.
Oh. Chalo, never mind. Let's do this. Negative 6y negative 10 equals. Now let's solve this. So Sridhar beta, tell me the answer to this.
Ma'am, 4, first it will be 4y. Then minus 8.
Good. So we'll write this here. 4y minus 8. And now it's so simple to transpose and solve. So first
Yes,
of
ma'am.
all, I'm solving this 16 minus 10, which is 6. Minus 6y equals 4y minus 8. Now let's transpose y's to the left and constants to the right. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now if I transpose 4y to this side, 6y I'll write first, which is negative.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is positive 4y, I'll make it negative 4y. Now equal. Equals, now negative 8 I'll write first. And this 6 taken to the other side, this is positive here, it will become negative here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now both are negatives on your left hand side.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. Why have I done this? 6 and 4, they got added to give you 10.
Yes,
Lekin
ma'am.
minus is greater, so you'll write minus here only.
Minus 10.
And then minus 8 and minus 6, they'll get added up. Minus because it's plus. So 8 and 6 is 14 and sign would be of subtraction. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus and minus would be cancelled now. Y is equals to 14 by 10. 7 by 5 is your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your answer, everyone? 7 by 5?
Ma'am, I made
Yes, ma'am.
decimal.
क्या
Ma'am,
तेजस बच्चा?
Ma'am, I made it in the decimal. Ma'am, 1.4.
नहीं, not important क्योंकि decimals में नहीं था ना question. If you leave it like that, that will do. Question में decimal होता तो फिर पक्का करते हैं. हाँ जी.
And I got 3.4.
So like you must have
Can we show
solved.
question number 4?
This is not 3.4. You take a click and share.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now Sridhar, attempt this fourth one, beta.
Okay,
Samiyan,
ma'am.
which question are you at, bache?
Ma'am, 4th only.
Okay, did you get this 7 by 5 only as your answer?
Yes, ma'am. And I've sent it to you.
Rishu beta, you made a mistake in second step only where you multiplied -2 and 5 and you wrote as +10. That's
Oh,
-10.
okay. I've corrected it now.
Now are you getting 7/5 only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so should we start discussing question number 4?
Ma'am, I'm doing it, ma'am.
Okay, you don't want me to discuss?
No, ma'am, we can discuss, ma'am.
Solve this quickly and then we'll go. Samihan, Tejas, are you done with question number 4?
I'm doing
Ma'am, I'm doing question number 5.
Oh, good. Now have you started that?
Ma'am, what?
How have you started that? What is the first step you did there?
Ma'am, LCM of 2 and 3.
You're on the right track. Good.
Ma'am, I transposed what 2 and 3 to the other side and multiplied it by 15. With 15.
Without taking LCM.
Yeah. Okay.
That isn't the right way. But okay. So Samihan beta, what is your answer for fourth one beta?
Ma'am, I have almost done 4th, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
7.
Ma'am, I am also almost done.
Quickly tell me the answer because I am also done.
Ma'am, 7.
I won't tell Avi if it is correct or not.
Ma'am, I got 8.
I won't tell Avi if it is correct or not. Anaga, check for your calculation once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Who told you this thing? I didn't tell any such thing to you. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि I may tell you you are completely wrong. How can you be so incorrect? Shweta, got your answer or not, bacha?
Ma'am, almost, ma'am. Last step.
Quickly tell me the answer. I want to hear it from you only. Acha, abhi Samiyan is also left. Jaldi se Samiyan, tell me what is the answer. Trishu, you write your answer in the chat box quickly.
Okay,
For
ma'am.
fourth one. श्वेता डन बच्चा?
मैम लास्ट मैम। मैम आपकी फेस को देख के लग रहा है कि पूरा ही गलत है।
करेक्ट है।
ओह
जल्दी जल्दी करो बेटा फटाफट से। समीहाना आंसर आ गया?
मैम लास्ट स्टेप।
ये इतना तो मुश्किल नहीं था। लास्ट स्टेप, व्हाई आर यू टेकिंग सो लॉन्ग फॉर योर लास्ट स्टेप?
मैम आंसर इज 7।
पता नहीं, अभी लेट्स सी। Sridhar, what is taking so long?
मैम 14/2।
14/2?
यस
So what
मैम।
is 14/2?
मैम
14/2 means half of 14.
यस मैम 7।
चलो, सब इतने बच्चे कह रहे हैं 7, तो मान लेती हूँ 7 is the correct answer. ठीक है, इतने बच्चे गलत थोड़ी हो सकते हैं। ऋषा भी चैट बॉक्स में 7 कह दिया। ठीक है, 7 is the correct answer. Anaga, found your mistake बच्चा?
नॉट येट मैम।
Not yet. अरे,
नो मैम।
what happened? Tally, I have done it on screen बच्चे. Is it some issue with the solving of brackets only?
यस मैम। मैम आई शेयर यू माय कैलकुलेशंस पिक्चर।
Share. I'll check.
मैम should we start 5th question?
Let me explain it a little to you and then you may take off. Chalo, abhi this is x by 2 plus x by 3. Yeah, we can call it as half of x plus 1/3 of x equals 15. So Betu, this 2 and 3, it cannot be taken there like that. You will have to take its LCM first. Yes, you'll have to take their LCM and then you can take it there. So for taking LCM, you will have to multiply this with 3 and this with 2. Right, Anaga? Pay attention on screen, beta. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times x is 3x. Then this plus ka sign I'll write. 3 times 2 is 6 and x times 2 is 2x equals 15. Clear or not, everyone? Now 5x by 6 is 15, they are saying. Abhi, how to solve this? 5x equals the 6 will be multiplied there.
And multiply.
And nobody would multiply this, please. Because I know the number coming in the next step here, getting divided, is a multiple of, is a like factor of 15. So x equals 6 times 15 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 threes are 6 threes are is 18. 18 is it. Tejas, you got the same or not?
Ma'am, I got the correct answer this time.
Oh, good. Very good. So it is only the bracket opening which is troubling you.
Yes, ma'am.
Betu, when you are doing it in your notebook, no, don't put these arrows. I make these arrows to like explain it to you better, no? Don't put those lines there, बच्चे बहुत mess up हो गया सब ये.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show the 6th part?
I think it is only the subtraction where you went wrong, beta.
Ma'am, where? Ma'am, can you show the sixth question?
हाँ जी बेटा जी. And how do you do this? Sixth one. One way of doing it is take LCMs on both the sides, like the 7 also consider it 7 by 1. And when you get two fractions like this in question number 9, then cross multiply and solve. I'll guide you in this. Let me check Anagha's answer. I'll guide. Arey Anagha beta, you didn't write the complete question. You missed on writing this +4 beta. That is why your answer is incorrect beta. Otherwise you are going correct. This +4 you missed in the question, bache. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now who wants me to do the sixth on screen? Sridhar, should I do it on screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is 4 times x plus 2 by 5 equals 7 plus 5x by 13. And you write 1 here. Okay.
Excuse me,
This is
ma'am.
one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is you leave this 7 like this and transpose this complete thing to the other side. That's also one way of doing it. Okay. So I am opting for the first one, 7 by 1. And now how to solve this? This is 4 times x is 4x. I multiplied this. Then plus 8 by 5 equals 13. I'll take as my LCM. What is 7 times 13? Can anyone tell me? 7 times 13. So that's 91 plus 5x. Right? Any problem? Anyone here? Still here?
No, ma'am.
Now it's simply we need to cross multiply. 13 will be multiplied with this. 13 times 4x plus 8 equals 5 times 91 plus 5x. And this has become question like question 3, question 4. And now you know how to do this. You open up the brackets first. Then take like terms to one side and constants to the other end. Solve. Simple. Clear or not, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
13 times 4 is 52. 52x plus 13 times 8 is 104. Plus 91 times 5 would be 455 plus 25x. Let's transpose things to the other side and solve. 52 minus 25 would be 27. X equals 104 subtracted here would be x equals 351 by 27. Let's guess 27 times what is 351? 1 at the end. 1. 27 times 11 won't be the answer. Is it 11? 27, 27, 13, 15, 14. 27 times 13. 13 is the answer. Clear or not, बच्चे लोग?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Copied everyone? Is there anyone who wants to take a screenshot?
I'm taking the screenshot.
Although recording would be shared and recording में होंगे. Chalo, now you people can start attempting question number 7 by yourself. It goes on the same line, beta. Either take LCM, whatever you get on two sides of equals to cross multiply and so on. Right? Question number 10. We'll do it till question number 10 only today. Because question number 12, 11 and 14, not 14, not 13, not 13. 13 you people can do. Question number 11 and 12 may you'll find some x squares also. You'll multiply x to x, you'll get x squares also. So question number 11 and 12 we will discuss in the next class. Today you will do question number 13 except 11 and 12. Okay. So start doing it, and if you people feel stuck anywhere, let me know. Okay. So I'm explaining this 8th question to you people. Dekho bacha, how to do this is, let's take LCM of 6 and 2, that is 6 only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll have to multiply this with 3 and this all with 3. Not only 5x, but plus 1 also would be multiplied by 3. Complete numerator will be multiplied by 3. And now when I solve it, it will become 15x, because 3 times 5x is 15x. And now 3 times 1 is 3. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And now this 6 is already the 6. No, you need not do anything with this x minus 2. You simply need to copy, but there is a twist here. You have this negative sign here. So when you have negative, you write x minus 2. It should always be in a bracket. Why? If you don't put these brackets, this will lead to confusion. If you write it like this, it will be wrong, because this negative 2 with this negative, you didn't change this to positive. So it's good to put a bracket when you are writing a numerator after negatives. So x minus 2 equals 2x plus 4 by 3. And now, let's open up the brackets of the first numerator. 15x plus 3 minus x. Now this negative and negative together will become positive. Positive 2 by 6 equals twice of x plus 4 by 3. Now how to solve this? 15x minus x is 14x. Plus 3 and plus 2 is plus 5. By 6 equals 2x plus 4 by 3. Whenever you reach at this stage, this is very simple. You simply need to cross multiply things. Although sometimes I tell students to simplify both the denominators, this is 1, this is 2. But because you're learning it, Abhi, so let's not go that way. This is 3 times 14x plus 5.
Ma'am, after this, I can do it.
Good. And now only open up the brackets, transpose x's to the left hand side, constants to your right hand side, and solve them. Simple.